Well, hello friends, Mary Allen here with another rapid reset video for you. Simple strategies for finding inner peace in any moment. And today's simple strategy is about tackling those pesky little tolerations. So what the heck is a toleration? A toleration is anything that you've been putting up with, putting off, those pesky little tasky items that are easy to procrastinate on, and they can accumulate. It can be as simple as the button on your favorite shirt missing. It can be not writing that thank you note that is on your list. It can be a cluttered drawer or closet. There's lots of little examples of what tolerations are, and we'll go through more of those categories here in a minute. But when we tackle that little toleration, something as simple as changing a light bulb, right? We have sort of that instant little, it's like, oh, it's done. There's like a little relief, right? Hence, rapid reset. So we want to think about like how these end up accumulating oftentimes is when we are just super busy, right? We're so focused on either work or family that all the little kind of seemingly less important things get left behind. Maybe you've been traveling or just heads down in a single project. This could be a great time to do a fresh inventory list of your tolerations and then go to work on them. Couple categories, especially like the quick ones. Things like clutter, cleanliness, organization is a huge, big category, right? Piles of paper that are on your desk. I mentioned closets. My master closet is a disaster right now. My office closet is not how I would like it to be. And my kids' closets, I need to actually tackle all three of the closets, and that would definitely give me an inner peace boost. But other things, the refrigerator, messy drawers, the garage, you get the idea. Second big category of little tolerations is anything that needs fixing, right? So my cell phone cover has a few cracks in it, and I've been conveniently putting that off for really months and months. It's like one of those things, right? Oh, I'll get to it later. But if an electronics isn't working, shoes need polishing, just scan your environment, see anything that is broken, needs some fixing. I have a yoga top that the strap broke, and I need to take it to the tailor so they can fix it. Way less expensive than buying a new yoga top. So that's one of the things on my list. Maintenance items is another one, right? Changing the oil in the car, getting to the dentist, getting your teeth cleaned, close to the dry cleaner, something that just needs to be fixed. Also, we can have lingering to-dos, right? Those thank you notes, getting to the grocery store for an item that you've run out, whether a food item or a personal care item, updating your resume, any kind of like maintenance, like lingering to-dos that you just haven't gotten to. And many of these can honestly be done in 30 seconds. Sometimes we think organizing a drawer is going to take hours and hours, and you may be able to get it done in 5-10 minutes, right? In some cases, just clearing out the fridge might just take a few minutes, right? Other ones do take a little bit longer, but what I want you to do is to make a fresh tolerations list and grab a notepad, go around your house, and look for the things we just talked about. Okay, what needs to be organized? Where's their clutter? What needs to be thoroughly cleaned that hasn't quite got the attention lately? What needs fixing? Any maintenance items? And then any lingering to-dos. I will say that one of my clients, well, many of my clients love that I put tolerations on their coaching prep form. So they get to name 1 to 5 tolerations that they'll tackle each week. And they go, they get to chip away at those, whether it's 1 a day or, a handful in a week, and stay accountable to that. It can make a huge, huge impact over the course of a year. So these little pesky tolerations can either be zapping our energy, or we can just, boom, get them done and really feel the relief in that. So I invite you to go for that. Keep tolerations top of mind as a quick way to just get a little reset, especially if you start noticing a bunch bubbling up. And that's it for today. We'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.